Hello, it's Just Gaming here, and welcome back to another tutorial video. And this one is going to be on YouTube again. Yes, it's going to be another YouTube one. And this one is kind of like the same as the copy and paste links one. So if you guys can remember that quite a while ago now, I posted a video of talking about of how to copy and paste links to your videos. And apparently, this one I'm doing today is going to be a little bit similar than that. But it's a new way I've decided to do when I don't, basically when I don't do descriptions now. So what I do now, by the way, is when I do a description, I actually highlight the one from the last video and put it into the new video, so I don't have to do all the typing and stuff as well. So I'm going to show you of actually how you do that. It's really easy, and if any of you don't know how to do it, watch the video because it's quite easy. So, how to highlight your own video descriptions, I think I'm going to call it. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to call it, I think, yeah. So, yeah. So that's going to be the way how it's going to work. So, it's going to be absolutely easy. And, yeah, I'll kind of show you. And, by the way, if my commentary is not very good, just try and ignore it, because I have got a sore mouth at the moment. Yeah, I have got a sore mouth. By the way, it's like right down here. Yeah, I've got a very sore mouth, by the way, just to be aware. But at least I can still commentate. So okay, so let me go and show you how it works. So okay, so I've gone to here because we're actually going to be uploading a video, and then I kind of show you the way how it's going to work. And then that one, it's just opened up on a normal YouTube. So I kind of show you guys what about that one. So I did do a video just a second ago. It's just a face video. Yeah, it's this one right here. Yeah, it's just 20 seconds long. It was just a video that I just did without talking. So okay, so I'll get this video online now, and then I'll kind of show you a few more details of when we're going to get into it. So I'll just call the title. Yeah, just call it that. There we are. Not to put them in there. Yeah, just call it that. And then right now, so this is going to be the important bit now, because basically what I used to do is I used to write the descriptions down. I used to write it all down, but there's actually a new way you can do it. Before we do get into the other stuff, I'll kind of show you this brand new way I was on about. And basically the way is really easy now. It's even easier from the other way. It's a little bit more easier. So yeah, try to ignore that picture. Yeah, you can see. Look at my face. So yeah, so I'm going to show you now what it is. Look at the title. So basically what I used to do, by the way, is let me just go and do it the old-fashioned way, and then I'm going to show you the new way. Okay, so let me go and put in. Let me just go and put that in. There you go. So I can see that I've typed it in, but there's a new way. So if I just leave that, and if I just go to here, right now I'm going to go and show you the brand new way. So what you need to do, by the way, is you need to go onto a different YouTube. So you need to open up another YouTube. And then what you need to do, by the way, is you need to go on the video that you last uploaded, the last ever video you uploaded on a series you did. And then when you've done that, you'll be able to let me know how it works. So I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to do this video from a random video. So the last random stuff video I uploaded, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so if we just head into random stuff, I've actually got a lot of random videos, so we'll be on this for quite a while. So I'm just going to go to the one that I last uploaded. Which is which one's got a long description on it? I think that one's got a long description on it. I can't remember which one's got a long description on it. I think it might be this one. I think this one's got a long description. I can't remember. Let me just have a look at this. I believe that this one's got a long description on it. Yeah, actually, yeah. Here we go. So yeah, I'm going to do this video here. Just because this video's got a long description on it. So basically, yeah, when you've done that, by the way, you need to go to this one right here that says edit. So if you go and click that, it will now come up on the, yeah, it will come on here again, it will come on the information on settings, by the way. And then basically, what you need to do now is you need to click the right button on your mouse. or for example, if you're on laptop. If you're on laptop, it'll be a little bit more difficult. But if you're on computer, it'll be absolutely easy. So you need to highlight it now. But the question is how do you highlight it? So you need to click the right button on the mouse. So I'm going to show you right now. So here we go. So this. Oh, okay, I've done it wrong here. Oh yeah. You need to. Actually. Forget about what I said a minute ago. It's the left button. I meant not the right button. No, it's the left button. I meant. Yeah, I got confused. No, it's the left button. I mean. So yeah, so you need to do it with the left button. So you need to make sure that that your finger's right there, and then you need to go and do it. So here we go. And there you are then, guys. So you can see that now it's been highlighted. The next thing, what do you do next? Well, the next thing you do is you need to open up. You need to now click your right button. And then you go down to copy. So it's not paste, it's not cut, it's not select all, not read loud, use source or element, it is copy. Because if you press cut, that'll cut it out, and if you press paste, it'll just paste it again. So you need to go on to copy. So I just need to click that. And then what you need to do after that is you need to go back to the video that you've uploaded, and then you click the right button again, and then you go to paste, and then watch it. And there you go. Look at that. Absolutely dead easy. So look at how easy that was. That is dead easy. So that's kind of the way how it works. So yeah, and like I said, if you want to put more of it, it's absolutely dead easy. So yeah, so I'm going to show you again. So basically, you go down to here, you edit your whatever you put down on the last video, and then you go to your right button, and then you go to copy. And then go back to the page that you're on before. Click the right button again, and then click paste, and then it'll be there. So yeah, that's kind of the way how it works. I will go and do it on others as well. And also another good thing is as well is it does work with links as well. So every time when you highlight a link, that link will actually still work. So I'll try and do that as well. So I'm going to show you an example for a link as well. So if I just go and copy this. So I'm going to show you an example for a link as well. So you can see, by the way, that when the link gets pasted, it's actually still there when the link gets pasted. And to be honest with you, though, this is dead easy. And it's a lot more better than typing as well. It's just so much better than typing, because basically when I was typing, it took me absolutely ages to type, and it's just so much easier. Also, it works with normal links as well. So if you just basically just put a link like that, it'll just work. It's dead easy, you guys. It's absolutely dead easy. Because like basically a while ago, I didn't even know how you do it. And then I realised about it. So what I did quite a while ago is I got really tired of typing it all out, and I come up with a new idea of actually how to copy the ones from the last video to put them in this video, and it's really good. Also, a few problems is, by the way, is basically if you do have a different description for what you've done in the video, that's what I kind of edit out as well. Because, like I said, when I do edit the description, apparently it comes up when I've highlighted it with the same what I've done in that video. What I do, by the way, is I change that, and then I kind of just tell the guys what I've done in the video. And then when I've done that, the video's just published, then it's all done. And then when I do it again, I've got to get rid of the one from the last video and then put the new one in. And then that's kind of how it works. So yeah, that's what I'm going to start doing from now on. I think I've done it over a week now. So yes, it's way easier than all typing as well. It's way easier, and it's just a lot more consents to be able to like type with a really good pro. It's just absolutely easy, and it's just started to get just really easy now for some reason. I literally just don't know why it has, but it's just really easy to be able to like copy the ones from the last video, and then it's just absolutely easy and stuff like that. And this was the thing that I really wanted to do, by the way. So it works on everyone. It'll work on links. It'll work on playlists. It'll work on the channels. It'll work on all the stuff that you've wrote down as well. So it'll kind of learn from the other things that you wrote down as well. So it will it will work on that, and it will just work on every other things that you've wrote down and stuff like that. And yeah, it's dead easy, you guys. like I said, I know this video is a bit similar than the other one that I did, but it's just a thing that I just really wanted to do. Well, that was only on the scheduled times anyway, wasn't it? So yeah, so I'm going to show you one more time. So you need to go onto here. You need to highlight whatever you need to do. You need to click the left button, and then basically it'll highlight it all. So if I just go and do it once more, so if I just go and highlight all of that, the next thing you need to go is you need to click the right button. You go down to copy. And then basically when you've clicked that, you go back to the video here that you've uploaded, and then you click the right button, and then you go down to paste. Now basically that will paste it, and then yeah, you're all done, and it'll be a lot more quicker as well compared to writing it, because there's a lot of people out there that do like long descriptions, and it takes them ages to do, and I think they do this as well. So but yeah, I decided to join the crew on that, and I've decided to do it as well, because it's just way better than typing, because typing took me absolutely ages, and now I know how to do it now, because I'm a professional YouTuber. But if you basically look at me back in the day, I didn't even do descriptions. If you guys did see my first 2 ever videos I uploaded, I didn't even do any descriptions on them. I think I just put like, welcome to a Jack Short video, and that's technically the thing that I put in the descriptions, because I didn't even know how to do links, and I didn't even know how to do descriptions and stuff like that. But now I know how to do it now. So what's the point of me going back to the old times of Jack to the new time of Jack? So this is the new me, and I've learned something new now, which is good. But there'll be a whole lot of like new stuff I will be learning and stuff like that. But yeah, that'll be completely compliant. So yeah, that's kind of the way how it works. If you guys have got any opinions in the comments below, please let me know if this has helped you. And it's just dead easy, you guys. If you guys already know already, you don't want to watch the video, but there's kind of just new YouTubers out there that know how to do it and stuff like that. And I just wanted to let people know actually how it works. But yeah, so that was my tutorial. Hopefully my tutorial wasn't bad as all previous ones, but a lot of people might have done a video like this as well, so I don't really know, but hopefully mine will has helped all of you guys. But yeah, that is the tutorial of how to highlight your video descriptions onto new videos. So yep, dead easy, you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna focus on it a lot more in the future. Every video I do is gonna be highlighting, editing, and all that kind of thing, which I will be doing. And another good thing is as well, it only takes me 5 minutes, so it doesn't take me that long to do, since I'm quite quick at highlighting it and stuff like that. So that'll be the future of all my videos I'll be doing on my channel. And yeah, like I said, all the videos that I will be highlighting and putting on new descriptions. But hopefully this tutorial has really helped you guys. So yeah, plenty more tutorials very soon. I will be doing I will try and do more on YouTube if I can as well. And also there'll be a lot more other tutorials I'll be doing based on other stuff as well. So hopefully that'll be that'll be coming up. But hopefully you guys have really enjoyed this one. So plenty more of these tutorials coming up very soon, and please let me know in the comments below if this one's really helped you, or you want to do another video about it, or whatever. That'll be really appreciated. And yeah, so hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, or please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Don't forget, our new target for a Q&A is 400, and our subscriber special is at 500. So make sure you stick with that. Hopefully we can get there before next year, and that'll be really appreciated. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, whatever I'm going to do next. Bye!